Candace, how you looking over here? You got something on your eye. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. And if you're new to this and not true to this, welcome back. Well, today,
I'm here.
We got a little visitor because we are gonna take my 2-ingredient pizza dough and my easy pizza sauce, and I'm gonna show you how your kids can easily make this pizza and they won't be talking about mama, daddy, what's for dinner, because they gonna make it themselves, right, Cadence?
Yes.
All right, so if you want more easy recipes like this, you know exactly what to do. You gotta subscribe to my channel and
comment down below and share and like.
And turn on your notifications so you know when I upload a video with some delicious recipes. So come on, Cadence, you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's do it. All right, Cadence, it's time to get this pizza started. Of course, you know you gotta spray the pan, right?
Yep, just so you can get your dough and make sure it does not stick to the pan.
Exactly. So I'm handing it over to you, but I'm gonna help you spread it out, okay?
Yes, just make sure you spread it out just enough. It can be rustic. It don't have to be all the way around, full circle.
Right? I like it a little bit rustic. It gives it that nice homemade look. And my easy red sauce, this recipe is already on my channel.
And so is the 2-ingredient pizza dough recipe is on the channel too.
So easy. That's why we're doing this together, because you're a kid and kids need to learn how to cook so they can leave the parents alone sometimes and give us a break, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you spread this pizza sauce around and you leave a couple of inches of crust around, because I'm going to show them how to make it nice and golden and crispy and delicious.
Yes.
You like pizza crust?
Yeah, you can't have no light pizza now.
Exactly. Okay, now it's time to add the cheese, please.
Yes, I love some cheese. You know how you get that Pizza Hut, Domino's, Papa John's, any kind of pizza. It don't have that cheese pull like it has on the commercial. But this one right here, it pulls. You see the cheese. This isn't Domino's, ain't Papa John's, ain't nothing like that. No shade to you, mommy. I know you used to work at Pizza Hut. But
girl, don't be telling people my business. Yes, I worked at Pizza Hut back in the day. But this pizza right here, like you said, has nothing on our pizza. Pizza Hut pizza don't have nothing on our pizza. And I see you adding that extra cheese because you want that cheese pull. And I'm like, no, Cadence, don't add any more cheese. But you gotta add all the extra cheese. This is mozzarella cheese. You can use really any kind of cheese that you like. That's what I was telling you. We took some of my adabadouille, melted some butter and some garlic, and look at the crust.
It's all golden brown. I could just eat the crust, really. I mean,
I like to call it GBD. You know what that stands for? Golden brown delicious. You took too long.
Oh no, I ain't know.
Look at it. Look how it looks. It's perfect. Parents, teach your kids this recipe. It's down in the description.
And look at the cheese pull.
You weren't lying, Cadence. You were right. That's that cheese pull. Recipe's down in the description. Thank you for hanging out with me. And
make sure to like, subscribe, and comment.
Yep.
And turn those notifications on.
Yep. Turn notifications, y'all. Come and hang out with us. And we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.